puppy and a kitten. She finds her baby animal very cute. She likes to store their soft food and pat their little head when it is cold. The kitten looks close to her chest. The puppy likes to sleep on her lap.